Hello students, this video is for the chapter coordinate geometry. In this video we are going to learn how to draw a line for which is parallel to the x-axis and parallel to the y-axis, as well as how to draw a graph for linear equation. So let's start practice set 7.2. So first question of practice set 7.2, on a graph paper plot the points A, that is 3, 0, B 3, 3 and C 0, 3. Join AB and BC. What the figure form. यहाँ पे ग्राफ पेपर में एक्स एक्सिस एंड वाई एक्सिस प्लॉट करना है एंड हमें 3 पॉइंट लेना है. एक ये है दैट इज 3, 0, x is 3 and y is 0, and in the B x is 3 and y is 3, and then C x is 0 and y is 3. Now join AB and BC. वी हैव टू टेल व्हाट इज़ द फिगर फॉर्म. जो वहाँ पे एक फिगर फॉर्म होता है वो कौन सा फिगर है वो हमें बताना है. सो लेट्स प्लॉट अ ग्राफ. This is x axis and this is y axis. So this side positive side is x and negative side is x dash, and here positive side is y and negative side is y dash. So I'm taking from the 0 here 1 2 3, and this -1 -2, that's type, and यहाँ पे y side is 1 2 3 and here minus integer, so negative integer. So now we have to plot or mention the point in graph. So that is point A 3, 0, x equal to 3 and y equal to 0. So x equal to 3 and y equal to 0 मतलब वो पॉइंट कहाँ पे आएगा, x एक्सिस में. सो x इक्वल टू 3 एंड y इक्वल टू 0, तो वो यहाँ पे आएगा. सो दिस इज द पॉइंट A, that is 3, 0. Next point B 3, 3, x भी 3 y भी 3. so x is 3 y equal to 3, so ये आएगा यहाँ पे. so that is B 3, 3 and C is 0, 3. x is 0 and y is 3, so here this is C 0, 3. Now you join AB and BC. Here this AB join करो and BC join करो. So which figure we formed or what is the figure formed? यहाँ पे कौन सा figure form हुआ? So here in this graph the quadrilateral OABC is a square, because यहाँ पे सेंटीमीटर कितना है 1 2 3 and here also 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. so सब जगह उसका जो लेंथ है वो 3 सेंटीमीटर है. so that's why here जो फिगर फॉर्म हुआ है वो है स्क्वेयर. सो हियर एक और बात, स्केल लिखना है. सो एक्स एक्सिस 1 centimeter equal to 1 and y axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 units. So this is the scale. So यहाँ पे जो फिगर फॉर्म हुआ है that is square. So you can write in the graph answer for this. Quadrilateral OABC is a square. So this is the answer for the question number 1. Next, move on to the question number 2. Question number 2. Write the equation of the line parallel to the y-axis at a distance of 7 units from it to its left. So यहाँ पे एक line parallel है to the y-axis and which is to the left side, and how much distance is there? So 7 unit distance. फ्रॉम द वाई एक्सिस टू द लेफ्ट साइड. सो ये अगर है लाइन है तो इस साइड को एक्स लेफ्ट राइट बोलते हैं, इसको लेफ्ट बोलते हैं. सो लेफ्ट साइड में वो लाइन पैरेलल है एंड डिस्टेंस इज 7 units. So we have to write the equation of the line parallel to y axis as a distance of 7 units from it to its left. So solution is let AB be the line, consider the line AB which is parallel to y axis. So कितने डिस्टेंस में है? इट इज 7 unit to the left of y axis. So equation of line parallel to the y axis and at a distance of 7 units to the left of it of the form x इक्वल टू, जो लेफ्ट साइड में है उसको हम लोग x इक्वल टू ए लेंगे. सो हियर a इज इक्वल टू -7. सो -7 क्यों है? ये लेफ्ट साइड में है. लेफ्ट साइड में जो हम लोग नंबर लिखते हैं इट इज़ इन द नेगेटिव साइन, सो इसलिए -7. देयरफॉर इक्वेशन of the line is x equal to -7. इक्वेशन विच इज लेफ्ट इसको हम लोग x इक्वल टू ए लेंगे. सो हियर a इज इक्वल टू -7. देयरफॉर इक्वेशन ऑफ द लाइन इज x इक्वल टू -7. Okay, so this is question number 2. Next, move on to the question number 3. Question number 3. Write the equation of the line parallel to the x-axis at a distance of 5 units from it and below x-axis. So same as previous question. So here the line is parallel to the x-axis and distance is 5 units for the x-axis and that parallel line and which is below of the x-axis. अगर ये x-axis है, it is above and it is below. So below x-axis है, so वो negative में आएगा. So write down the solution. So let's consider PQ be the line parallel to the x-axis and it is below x-axis 5 units. So 5 unit below है. So next equation of the line parallel to x-axis and at a distance of 5 units below is of the form. So यहाँ पे इक्वेशन कैसे लिखेंगे? सो वहाँ पे y एक्सिस के लिए पैरेलल दैट इज x इक्वल टू ए. सो यहाँ पे x इक्वल टू b. वी आर टेकिंग द इक्वेशन एज y इक्वल टू b. सो हियर b इज इक्वल टू 5 यूनिट्स बिलो द x एक्सिस. सो यहाँ पे ये -5 में आएगा. सो देयरफॉर इक्वेशन of the line is y equal to minus 5. So this is the equation of the line which is parallel to the x-axis below 5 units from the x-axis. I hope everyone clearly understood how to find the equation of line which is parallel to the x-axis or y-axis. Next, move on to the question number 4. Question number 4. The point Q, that is minus 3 comma minus 2, lies on a line parallel to the y-axis. Write the equation of the line and draw its graph. So यहाँ पे एक point है Q, that is minus 3 comma minus 2, which is lies on the line parallel to the y-axis. वो y-axis जो है उसके लिए जो parallel line है उसके ऊपर ये Q point is lie, and we have to write the equation of the line and we have to draw a graph. So here equation of the line, so here solution is given point is Q, which is minus 3 comma minus 2. So consider AB be the line parallel to y axis to y axis. So line parallel to y axis, then x equal to, so equation of the line, that is x equal to minus 3. X equal to minus 3, how we know that x equal to minus 3? So line is parallel to the y axis, so हम लोग लेंगे x equal to a. So यहाँ पे x is minus 3 and y is minus 2. So x का वैल्यू क्या है? minus 3. That is the value of x coordinate, or we can write that as the value of x coordinate. So here two coordinate, one is x coordinate, another one is y coordinate. यहाँ पे x coordinate is minus 3 and y coordinate is minus 2. So that's why we can say the which is parallel to the y axis, the line AB, which is minus 3 distance from the y axis. So we can write equation of the line AB is x equal to minus 3. So now draw the graph. So here the line AB is parallel to the y-axis. So this is y-axis, इसके लिए parallel है. So where the point कितना distance में है? minus 3. So minus 3 किधर है यहाँ पे? इसमें. So we have to draw a line on minus 3. So this is the line which we can say x equal to minus 3. So this is the equation of the line. So हमें जो एक point दिया था q equal to, और q is minus 3 comma minus 2, it comes minus 3, x axis is minus 3 and y axis is minus 2. So here it comes, so this one is q minus 3 comma minus 2. So this is q. So this is the graph of the equation of the line AB, that is x equal to minus 3. Next, question number 5. Question number 5. Y-axis and the line x equal to minus 4 are parallel lines. What is the distance between them? यहाँ पे एक y-axis है and एक line x equal to minus 4 है. Both are parallel to each other. We have to find the distance between them. So solution here, or answer for this question, the distance between x-axis and a line x equal to -4 is x-axis is 0, minus of -4, which is equal to minus into minus plus, so +4 is +4 units. so कितना डिस्टेंस में है? 4 यूनिट डिस्टेंस में है. The distance is 4 unit but it is comes in right side or left side. यहाँ पे x इक्वल टू -4 आया है, दैट्स वाई इट इज कम्स इन लेफ्ट साइड. सो जो नेगेटिव साइड है उस साइड आता. अगर यहाँ पे +4 होता तो राइट साइड में आ जाता. सो हियर 4 यूनिट डिस्टेंस में लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द y axis there is a line which is parallel to y axis. So here draw the graph for that.